So Captain of Port have submitted a report regarding that this thing.
See, we are on record in the assembly also, our department, that we will shift from this side to the other side, one of the ship first. So the ship owner has agreed. We are almost identified a place. So we will shift that one ship on the other side.
Feasibility
So already
feasibility report.
the identification has been done, but there are the reports are done. So once that is done, file will come to me, and I will also take the file to CM to show him, to keep him in confidence when we are doing this work.
You had said that you and the local MLA would go and see
See,
inspection.
I didn't want to be part of that inspection and along with the local MLA, because we didn't want specially to show places where there are technical experts. We are not technical experts. Technical expert, let them show the place themselves and bring it on paper to us to show the exact location. And we are waiting for that exact location on paper, and we will immediately inform the owner of the ship to shift his ship over. There are a lot of hue and cries from CCP also. They are a little upset, angry. The local MLA of Penjim also is upset and angry about the decisions we have still not taken. We are on track. We are going to do it.
फॉर्मर पोर्ट मिनिस्टर जयसी मात्सवगीचा तेका बेल्टाक लागता ते काय कंप्लीट तुझ्या बेल्टान असते
सी आमी अशें चिंतया न्हू ते कोणाच्या बेल्टान ना दर्या हो रिवर जो आहा हो रिवरूच आहा. River is not the jurisdiction of any Kalangut constituency, Shivoli constituency, or Penjim constituency, or any other constituency, Purvari constituency. Its river is a Mandovi river. So wherever, because there are 5 ships this side, we are shifting one of them. So Ponjesun je 5 dista te 4 dista.
So why are shifting that? If river is not belonging to any country, why are shifting? Why? Because of Babush is.
No, it's not Babush. There are
Because of Babush you are shifting.
no, we are not shifting only because of Babush, because there are too many ships in one line on the other side.
Congestion.
We are balancing it.
But how
They had
confident?
it, they had it.
Madam, how confident you are that this thing will be resolved? Because इतले वर्ष झाले casino होता होता आमचं पुढे थिंगाच असा. Government is benefiting from it.
काझिनो पॉलिसी येवपाक जाय म्हणून आमी चीफ मिनिस्टराक सांगलेलें आहा. चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑल्सो इज ऑफ द ओपिनियन that casino policy has to come finally to shift this river casinos on land, because businesses have been established, because investments have been done by this casino owners or whatever it is, by buying those ships. We cannot tell them overnight you close down this, and whoever is making a very big noise, especially from, I have seen from the Congress side, let me remind them, they were the people instrumental to bring these casino ships in the river Mandovi. And I do not want to put more allegations on anybody. I'm only तांकां आमी सांगूंक शकता की बाबा हें आमी करूंक ना, हें तुमी केल्लें. आमी तांकां बंद करूंक जायना, कित्याक जेन्ना गव्हर्मेंट लायसन दिता कसलोच धंदो घालता तो लिगल धंदो म्हणूनच लायसन दिता. तुमी आतां म्हणनाका की काजिनो इलिगल, आमचे हितून नाका, तुमचे हितून नाका. ते रिवर मांडोवी आहा ते थिंगाच आसतले टील काजिनो पॉलिसी कम्स आउट and they go at the designated place which the government will decide whether it is MOPA. Once the MOPA work starts, we will designate, and we will give that time period of 5 years or 4 years or 6 years for them to take the land there and shift it on ground.
कितल्या दिसांनी कॅसिनो पॉलिसी काडटले तुमी?
आता जे 6 months एक्सटेन्शन आहा तितून मॅनेजमेंट येवपाक जाय अशें म्हणून आमी चीफ मिनिस्टराक सांगला.